Hey there, and welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm going to be show you the somewhat hidden panning feature found in the AI image generative program Midjourney. So for those who are a little bit unaware, Midjourney is an AI image generative program designed to turn text into AI generated images. As you can see, one of the main ways to use Midjourney is a simple integration with Discord. So as you can see here, we already have a generated image with the prompt as you can see shown here. Now, we can choose to do a light upscale on this image, but at the same time, let's also tweak a few settings in order to really show you this hidden panning technique. So just type /settings in order to open up the settings list for the Midjourney bot. We're going to choose the options stylize very high, and if you want, you can also turn on turbo mode. The most important option to change here though is to use the latest model, which in the case of this video is Midjourney version 5.2. Now, let's just copy the prompt above and create a new image generation with Midjourney using the new settings that we've applied. After letting Midjourney generate us 4 variations of the prompt that we just gave it, let's upscale an image of our choice. For this one, I'm going to choose U4 in order to upscale image number 4. After upscaling one image, as you can see, there are buttons shown below the image with arrows showing which way you wish to pan the image. What that will do is, for example, if we choose the down button, the Midjourney bot will start generating more content below the image that we've initially chosen. As you can see, by choosing the down button, Midjourney has created 4 variations of what it thinks could be an extension of the image going downwards. And of course, other than just simply extending a single direction, you can also choose the Customize Zoom button underneath each of these generated images. After clicking Custom Zoom, we'll be given the option to change the prompt for how we want the image to be zoomed out from, and even edit the ratio and size of how far we want the zoom out effect to be applied. For the purposes of this video, I just want a simple 2:3 zoom out ratio. And once you submitted that prompt, as you can see, Midjourney will yet again give us 4 variations of a customized zoomed out image from the initial image that we applied. And that's really all there is to using the panning and zoom out features that Midjourney has available for us. If you have any other questions or inquiries, leave them down in the comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and this kind of content. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.